In this video, I'll show you how to change the ear tips of your Beats Fit Pro. So usually in the box, you should have these that come with it. So you have the medium that are pre-installed when you buy them, and then you'll have a smaller ear tip and a bigger ear tip. The first thing you need to do to remove the one that came with it is to simply grab it up or down. Just pinch it this way, and then you need to pull it away. Don't worry, it won't break. Okay? So once you're done, you can put this aside, and if you have some debris here, I suggest you clean them. Now take another ear tip. Let's say I want the smaller one. And the only thing you need to do here is align them. So this circle here with this circle. Okay. And then when you're done, you just need to push it, okay? Push it until you feel that the ear tip is attached. Okay? You're gonna feel it. Right now, it's attached. It's secure, just make sure that it won't fall off. And you're done. By the way, here they have two ear tips, obviously, but it doesn't matter which one you pick. There's no left one and right one. You can pick any of these. So let's do it again with the other one. Okay, so we have it here. All you have to do, pinch aside, pinch it so you grab it really well. And then you just have to pull it. Grab the other one. Align the circle with the circle, like this. And then just push it with your thumb. That's the easiest way I found out. Push it, and you're gonna feel it attached. Perfect. Now just test it a bit. It won't fall out. It's very easy. I really like how easy they made it. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful, and please subscribe, give a like, and why not even leave a comment.